Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I'm going to learn you how to draw a beautiful mama lion and baby lion. Do you know kids what is called baby lion? Yes, baby lion is called cub. Say with me, cub. So kids, follow my every steps and try to draw with me. Do you know kids what is mama lion called? Yes, mama lion is called Lioness. Say with me, Lioness. Let's draw the mama lion. I completed the picture. Now it's time to color it. I am using here brush pen color to color this beautiful picture. I will use here only two colors, deep brown color and light brown color. Wow, the lioness and the cub is looking so beautiful. You should also draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.